Want to program your GMC Acadia key fob yourself? It's a common task that can save you a trip to the dealership. For most Acadia models, 2017 to 2024, the process involves an onboard method. First, enter programming mode by quickly cycling the ignition from off to on without starting the engine 3 to 5 times. Then, within 30 seconds, press and hold specific buttons on the fob, usually the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously, for 10 to 15 seconds. Look for confirmation signals like horn chirps or light flashes from your Acadia. Remember, time is crucial, so complete the process quickly. Ensure the fob matches your Acadia's model year to avoid compatibility issues. This method works because it synchronizes the fob's transmitter with the vehicle's receiver. If you fail, you can always try again or look for your model year specific method online. While DIY programming of physical key fobs is still relevant, especially for older Acadia models, the trend is shifting towards digital key systems. Many newer Acadias now offer smartphone-based pairing via the MyGMC app. This digital key system allows you to use your smartphone as a key. Also expect fully digital key ecosystems with biometric options to become standard. While convenient, digital keys also bring cybersecurity concerns, such as relay attacks, which GMC is addressing with enhanced encryption. Despite the rise of digital keys, many owners still prefer physical fobs for their simplicity. But the future is clear. Physical key fob programming will likely become less common as digital integrations continue to advance. Check your GMC's features to see if digital key systems are available to you.